let's take a look at the market. We're up 0.33% from yesterday's close. Yesterday's session, we gapped down and we just chopped around a very tight range for this ETF. Very tight range between 277 and 279. As far as the daily goes, we've been putting in lower highs. And we had discussed on Monday that it looked like it was going to drop. We had a lot of lower highs forming, and it did. It dropped. And now we're at the 200 SMA, which is a good spot for a bounce. We chopped around there all day yesterday. Look at our market movers this morning. On the move, we got PVH here. This thing is down over 10%, or just about 10%. A little low on volume. Look at this one, SOLY. This thing's down 10%. This thing was on the move yesterday. It went up to 27, I think, and then it went back down and then went back up again yesterday. This thing took a lot of people out and made a lot of people money yesterday. That was a good trade. I didn't trade it, but it's on my watch this morning. DLTR, this thing's moving a little bit this morning, but it's pretty much flat. PANW, almost 7%. Not much volume. None of these really have a lot of volume this morning, you know? Maybe just this SOLY's got a decent amount of volume. BYND. BYND is on the move. This thing, almost at the end of the day yesterday, went almost to 100. And this morning, it's already at 104. 250,000 traded. That's going to be in play this morning. Definitely keep an eye on that one. But we'll see where the market goes today. So let's get to it. PVH, we're going to take this right here for a short at the ask if we can get hit. Alright, we're in. We're in at 89.98. Alright, it's working on our favor right now. Daily looks great for a short. This thing's been downtrending for a while. And intraday, it gaps down. And now there's a big battle going on here. Stop loss will be over the highs. All right. We're going to take this right here if we can. Come on. Just a little bit more. All right. We're out of 100. All right. We're going to push that up. I don't like. All right. We're out. Nice. PVH. Look at that thing. It's still dropping. Still dropping. We got over 1.5 points on it. And if I would have held on a little longer, I would have got another point. Oh, it's still dropping. Look at that thing. TSLA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. If we can get hit before it drops here. All right, we're in. We're in at 190.58. Daily looks great for a short. Look at this thing. It's been downtrending consistently. Intraday, it's not so great for a short, but because of the daily and that big fat red candle there, I'm thinking this thing is going to drop down to at least below 190. And like right around 189.75. That's what we'll take it. And stop loss will be over 191.25 area. But we got some cushion this morning, so we might even let it play out a little bit. All right, here it comes. Looks like it's about to come down here. There we go. That's it. Come on. We want around 189.75. But we'll manage it. You know, we're going to try to take this right here, actually. Here we go. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. Just a quick little scalp here. I don't want to risk it just because it's at yesterday's close and it could easily bounce at yesterday's close. I'll take that. About 70 cents. And it's still dropping. But the market. DG, we're going to take this for a long right here on a breakout if we can get hit. Market's climbing. We need to get hit though before it breaks out. It's going to break out. All right, there it goes. That stinks. All right, we'll cancel that. PANW, we're going to take this for a short here at the ask if we can get hit. Thing is looking great here. All right, we're in. We're in at 203.61. Daily looks great for a short. Look at this thing. It's been downtrending for a while. Hits the 200 there, and then it drops another big drop. Intraday, gaps down, flushes a little bit, has a little rally. Now it's flushing again. We're putting in lower highs. So I'm thinking this thing is going to drop. It's going to be a good size stop loss. Probably over, it's got to be at least over 205.30 area stop loss. But we got a cushion today, so, and target on this one, I like it below 202, or at least around 202, because it's such a big mover. But this looks great here. Even if it moves up a little bit, I think this stock has no other choice but to go down today. Look at the market. The market is climbing, and this thing isn't climbing. So I think one big seller comes in, and this thing drops hard. PNW. All right, we just put in a big squeeze here. Went right over our stop, but that's okay. We're going to hold off for a second because I think that's just a squeeze, and it's just going to turn around and drop. But if it doesn't, we'll just come out. PNW, still in this. That was a big squeeze there. I almost got out, but it's coming back to us here. So now I got to think, do I get out here with a smaller loss, or do I hold it? I really think this sucker's going to drop here. I really do. I think this thing, once it goes down below 204, especially 203, once it drops below 203, this thing drops hard. So we're going to stick to it. We're going to stick to it. I think it's going to work out. Here it comes. All right, there we go. There we go. See if we can get it below 203. Now, I was losing big on this one, so I don't know how far I'm going to let it go. Might take it a little earlier than I should, but like I said, I was losing big and I held through a big squeeze, so start thinking a little different. But this thing should drop here. I'd like to at least get a point after suffering that much. Looks good here. I think it'll crack 203. All right, we've cracked it. Let's try to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice, I'll take that. We're out with about 80 cents. I wanted more, but after that big squeeze, I was really like, oh, I had all that cushion, it's all gone now. But I'll take that, 80 cents. TSLA, we're going to take this for another short right here, if we can get in. We took it short earlier. We're going to take it on a pullback here from the lows. I don't think it's done. All right, we're in. We're in TSLA at 188.15. It's our second trade on it. Stop loss will be over 189, and target will be around 187. Every single time the dippers buy it, the sellers come in and push it down a little bit more. So I'm thinking the dippers bought it here, and I think the sellers are going to come in right here and bring it back down. TSLA, it's just stuck here at entry. If it don't do anything soon, more likely than not it will drop, I think, because it's stuck there. So it wants to follow the path of least resistance, and right now it's down, so it'll probably drop. All right, there it is. Here we go. Finally breaks. I think we can get a little bit more. TSLA, it's coming up on our stop area. That's 3 green candles so far in a downtrending stock, so could just be a little pullback here before it continues on its downtrend. TSLA, still in this. Went up to our stop area about 2 times, but we'll probably take it around 187.50 area just because it's so slow. I mean, all right, here it comes. It's looking good here. Nice big fat red candle. Here it comes. I like to take it somewhere below 187.50. All right, we're going to try to take this right here. All right, we're out. Nice. Take that. I've been in this for a little bit, and so I'll take what is that, 60 cents. It'll probably continue to downtrend, but if it does reverse, it'll be a monster squeeze up, and I don't want to be part of that. So that's going to be it for me today. Have a good day today. We're up 561. Let's take a look at the trades. just 4 trades, 4 winning trades. Our biggest winner on PVH. Thanks for watching.